You're not bad at math. You're trying to memorize 50 different problems, when almost every calculation on this exam is one of 5 repeating types. Once you can name the type, the math itself is the easy part. In the next few minutes, I'll give you all 5 with a worked example each, the step everyone skips before them, the one trap that costs the most points, and the 2 topics PTCB just removed so you can stop studying them. Here they are: convert, scale, concentrate, weight, dose, and rate. Write those 5 words down because from here on, every dose, every quantity, and every strength you calculate is one of them. Type 1. Convert. This is any problem where the units change. Pounds to kilograms, milliliters to liters, milligrams to grams, degrees Fahrenheit to Celsius. The one line you will use more than any other on this exam is pounds divided by 2.2 gives you kilograms. So a patient who weighs 154 pounds, divide by 2.2, 70 kilograms. If a question hands you a weight in pounds, it is telling you what to do first. Type 2. Scale. This is ratio and proportion. If this much gives you that, how much gives you something else? The setup is always the same. Write it as 2 fractions, put the unknown on top, and cross-multiply. Say your syrup is 250 milligrams in 5 milliliters, and the order is for 400 milligrams. Set up the 2 fractions, cross-multiply, and you get 8 milliliters. Same setup every single time. Type 3. Concentrate. This is percent strength, and there is one rule that unlocks all of it. A percent is grams per 100 milliliters. So 10% dextrose is 10 grams in every 100 milliliters, not 10 grams per milliliter. That means a 500 milliliter bag of 10% dextrose holds 50 grams. Dilutions live on this same slide. When you dilute, use C₁V₁ equals C₂V₂. Take 100 milliliters of a 50% solution and dilute it to 25%. 50 times 100 equals 25 times V2. So V2 is 200 milliliters. Strength down, volume up. Type 4. Weight dose. Milligrams per kilogram. The method is simple. Convert the weight first, then multiply. A 22-pound toddler at 10 milligrams per kilogram? 22 divided by 2.2 is 10 kilograms. So the dose is 100 milligrams. But here is the thing you need to hear. They give you pounds on purpose. The exam knows that if you are rushing, you will multiply straight off the pounds, and it builds that wrong answer into the options waiting for you. Type 5. Rate. If the question has the word per in it, you are in a rate problem. Milliliters per hour, drops per minute, and the one they ask constantly, days supply. Days supply is just the total amount divided by the amount taken per day. 90 tablets, 3 a day, 90 divided by 3, is a 30-day supply. That is the whole formula. Before any of those 5, there is a step 0. Reading the SIG PTCB test SIG codes and Roman numerals directly, and they are also where your numbers come from. 1 tab POTID means 1 tablet, 3 times a day, so that is 3 a day. Lowercase I is 1, V is 5, X is 10. BID is twice a day, TID is 3 times, QID is 4 times. Decode the SIG wrong and every calculation after it is wrong too. Now the trap, and this is the part where most texts lose points. A child weighs 33 pounds. The dose is 14 milligrams per kilogram. If you multiply 33 by 14, you get 462 milligrams, and that number will be sitting right there in the answer options. But 33 pounds is not 33 kilograms. Divide by 2.2 first. That gives you 15 kilograms. 15 times 14 is 210 milligrams. Convert before you multiply, every single time. One more thing, and this one saves you hours. On January 6, 2026, PTCB removed non-sterile compounding from the exam, and allegation went with it. Allegation is that tic-tac-toe box that generations of techs lost sleep over. It is not tested anymore. If your study book still has an allegation chapter, it was written for the old outline. Skip it and put that time into days supply instead. So there it is, the whole thing on one screen. Step 0, read the SIG. Then convert, scale, concentrate, weight, dose, and rate. Screenshot this one. Next time you open a practice question, don't start calculating. Read the SIG, name the type, then do the math. That one habit is what turns exam math from something you dread into something you recognize. If you want to actually drill these, RX Reflex covers all 5 types, and every question comes with a step-by-step explanation so you can see exactly where it went wrong. It's free on iOS and Android. Grab it from the link in the description or the bio, or just scan the QR code on your screen right now. And if you're testing this year, watch the next one on what changed in the 2026 exam, because a lot of study guides still haven't caught up. Good luck.